Whenever you think of sports persons, you always think about the fact that they have such larger than life personalities. Now, most of them also tend to be great motivational speakers. Now, this is because they speak through experience. They want, to inspire people through the life lessons that they have learned. Sometimes it has worked on the field and sometimes off the field as well. But a lot of people take that and they see that cricketers are, of course, leading by example. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this new video on Crick Tracker. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I hope all of you are doing well and of course keeping safe. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at cricketers and some of the best motivational speeches that they've given, because at the end of the day, being a sports person is one thing, but leading by example, whether it's in terms of leadership or even character as a team member, is very important and can be of course used in everyday life. So without wasting any more time, let's take a quick look at this new video.
Uncut, unpolished diamond to become a polished, priceless diamond. It is a process, it's a journey where the path won't be easy. Sometimes when you're trying to do certain things, there might be obstacles. Don't give up, don't find shortcuts. I think it is important to follow the right path always. And in tough times, tough men last. So I'm very, very confident that if you follow the right things in life, you would be able to achieve your dreams.
It's not that you fail that is the issue. It's your attitude to the failure that is the most important thing. How do you react to that failure? Do you see the failure as a learning experience, or do you see a failure as something that pulls you down? I think in every failure is an opportunity for you to grow and to learn from it. And I think you're going to see a lot of it. And it's just how you react to that failure, I think, is going to decide whether you're going to make a fist of it in this industry or not.
You have to put, irrespective of what your profession is, the hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, try to be, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. So that's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out, but if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period, but what's important is to go through, because it's a tough period that actually make you a better human being.
Now, to create a good team. So identification of talent is most important. It's not just about your friend. It's not just about who will be a yes man. But I think the biggest challenge of leadership is about identifying the best guy, making him work under you and make sure he delivers for you and the team. I firmly believed that when I was captain and I had this responsibility, I would say, along with the selectors, to pick the national side. And you must have read it in the newspapers, you must have known also watching cricket in India over a period of time that the captain has a huge say in picking the team. And you may have a coach, you may have a director, but at the end of the day, cricket is a team game, a leader's game, and I'm sure in your profession.
Whether it's Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni or Sourav Ganguly, of course, all of them have different kind of life experiences which they have tried to articulate in those motivational speeches. You tell me in the comment section below, whose kind of, life history that you've seen, the way they've led by example as a sports person has inspired you the most. Tell me that in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy teams, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon, but for that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.